Hello everyone and welcome back to WAM'S tutorial. Today in this video you're going to see mango sweet recipe. So all that you need is 4 to 5 mangoes. You need to slice it down. Follow the procedure as I am doing. You need to do it with all the slices of the mango. And next I'll be using the portable blender and adding all the mangoes in it and add a little amount of water and blend it evenly to make a mango puree. Once you're done with the mango puree, take a pan, heat it up, and now here I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now slowly add the mango puree to the pan. Stir it for approximately 2 to 3 minutes and then keep it for 15 minutes on the flame. Now I'll be keeping it on the flame for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. In between, stir it for 2 to 3 times and then keep it back on the flame. You need to keep it stirring just because it doesn't stick to the pan. And once you see the bubbles, you need to add 1 cup of milk. Once you have added the milk, you need to mix them together for approximately 2 to 3 minutes and keep it on flame for next 10 minutes. And now I'm adding 5 tablespoons of sugar. The quantity of sugar completely depends upon your taste. So now here I've added 1 cup of milk powder, and once you add 1 cup of milk powder you get to see the lumps, so make sure that you stir it for approximately 5 minutes. Leave it for next 5 minutes and then add some dry fruits. So here I'm using some almonds, pistachios and cashews. Cut them into tiny pieces and add it in the mixture. Save a little amount of dry fruits which was chopped before for the garnishing. As you can see, we have got a little thick layer of the sweet, so we will stir it for another 2 minutes. Once you see the bubbles, you just have to stir it once and then switch off the flame. So here our mango sweet dish is ready to be served in just few simple steps. And now take the serving bowl and shift the sweet in the serving bowl and garnish it with the dry fruits. It is completely up to you if you have to prefer eating it hot, or you can even store it in the refrigerator and eat it cold. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.